If you want better results from AI, it all comes down to your prompts. In Poe AI, the way you write your request can completely change the quality of the output. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI prompts in Poe AI step by step. First, open Poe AI and sign in. Then choose any AI bot like ChatGPT or Claude, depending on the type of response you want. A good prompt is clear, specific, and includes context. Instead of giving short commands, you should explain what you want in detail. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Define the task, add context, specify the format, and mention the tone you want. The more context you give, the better the AI responds. Tell it your audience purpose and what outcome you want. You can control the output by specifying formats like bullet points, blog posts, scripts, tables, or step-by-step guides. You can also control tone. For example, you can ask for professional, friendly, simple, or persuasive writing depending on your needs. If the result isn't perfect, don't start over. Just refine your prompt by adding more detail or asking for adjustments. Once you find a prompt that works well, save it. You can reuse it later for faster and more consistent results. Try different types of prompts like writing, coding, summarizing, and brainstorming. This helps you become more confident using AI tools, and that's how to create AI prompts in Poe AI. Yeah, once you master prompting, you can control the AI and get exactly the results you want. Thanks for watching, and good luck building better prompts.